Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My today's topic is for class 10th, and the name of topic is deforestation, its causes and consequences. So students, let us start about what know about this deforestation. In this lecture we will discuss deforestation and its causes, and in the next lecture we will discuss about its consequences. So students, we know that deforestation, it is one of the major causes to the environmental degradation, which is affected by the agents like small farmers, ranchers, loggers and plantation companions. There is a broad consensus that expansion of cropped areas and pastures are the major source of deforestation. So what is this? Let us know what is this deforestation. We define the deforestation, it is a long term removal of trees cover. The loss of forest cover influences the climate and contributes to a loss of biodiversity. So अगर हम इस डिफॉरेस्टेशन को डिफाइन करते हैं, इसका डिफॉरेस्टेशन का मतलब है रिमूवल ऑफ ट्रीज ऑन लार्ज स्केल. हम आज देखते हैं कि हमारे जंगलों का जो है इनका सफाया किया जाता है, और जो लैंड अंडर फॉरेस्ट्स आती है उसको हम फिर मुख्तलिफ पर्पज़ के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल फॉर एग्रीकल्चर पर्पजेज़, फॉर कमर्शियल लॉगिंग जब होती है, इससे भी जंगलों का सफाया किया जाता है. या माइनिंग के लिए हम जो माइनिंग है इससे भी हमारे जंगलों का नुकसान होता है. या हम देखते हैं कि दिन ब दिन जो पॉपुलेशन है वो बढ़ती जा रही है, और इस पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन की वजह से हम देखते हैं कि एक इंसान की जो नीड्स है उसको फुलफ़िल करने के लिए ही हैज़ टू बिल्ड अ हाउस, ही नीड्स फूड टू लिव, एंड if we see, we are completely dependent upon the forest. So let us discuss them one by one. We can say these are the causes of forests. And first cause is that is for we use the land for agriculture purposes. What is the conversion of forests to agriculture land to feed growing needs of the people? There are an estimated 300 million people living as shifting cultivators who practice slash and burn agriculture, and are supposed to clear more than 5 lakh hectares of the forests for shifting cultivation annually. So we see that a large number of forests are cut down for this purpose, for making the land for this agriculture purposes. So this is the one of the major cause of deforestation. As I have already here that the conversion of forests into agricultural land is a big reason for deforestation. Due to overgrowing demand for food products, many trees are chopped down for crops, for cattle grazing. Over 40% of the forests are cleaned to obtain land and meet the needs of agriculture and wood. Next one is that is commercial logging. What is commercial logging? Commercial logging is another reason for this deforestation, which supplies the world market with woods, and such as there are fewer types of woods which are commercially being exploited. That is Baranti, teak, mahogany and ebony, which it destroys the trees as well as the opening of forests for agriculture. Cutting of trees for firewood and building material, the heavy lopping of foliage for fodder, and heavy grazing of saplings by domestic animals like ghouls. These activities, illegal activities, are very common that destroy the livelihoods of the people depending on forests. Wood-based industries like paper, mache, sticks, furniture need to substantial amount of wood supply. Wood is used as fuel. Also it is used for building houses, जिसको हम timber wood भी कह सकते हैं. For these purposes forests on large scale are removed from. So it is हम इसे कह सकते हैं, ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा रीज़न है जिससे डिफॉरेस्टेशन होती है. इसके बाद जो तीसरा कॉज है या तीसरा रीज़न है डिफॉरेस्टेशन का, दैट इज़ माइनिंग। माइनिंग जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि ऑयल लैंड माइनिंग ऑफ और कोल हम कहते हैं, इट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ऑन लार्ज अमाउंट per year. Construction of roads leads to the deforestation as they provide the way to remote land. The waste that comes out from mining pollutes the environment and affects the nearby species. This mining causes the environmental impacts like erosion, formation of sinkholes, loss of biodiversity, and contamination of soil. The another reason is that is increase in population, or we can say population explosion. Population explosion is another reason for this, another cause of deforestation, as we know that the day by day the population on this planet is increasing, and as I have already mentioned it and said that we have the different desires, that we have to build houses, we have to use the different things from these forests for our livelihood. We are, or we can say we are totally dependent on these plants or forests. For these purposes we use the forests. So this is the another reason for the deforestation. So I have here mentioned it, as the population grows, the need of people increases, which further leads to the deforestation. Forest shrinks to a great extent to meet the requirements like for construction of roads, development of houses, mineral exploitation, and exploitation of expansion of industries, increasing population, etc., etc. Next one is urbanization and industries. This is another cause of deforestation. As the population grows, the needs of the people increases, which it further leads to the deforestation. हम देखते हैं कि urbanization and industrialization. Urbanization का मतलब यह है कि जो गांव है वो अब शहरों में तब्दील होते जाते हैं, और बहुत सारी कंस्ट्रक्शन होती है, और इसके साथ ही इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन, यानी हम अब बहुत सारी इंडस्ट्रीज़ वजूद में आई है, और इन इंडस्ट्रीज़ की वजह से भी के वजूद में आने से भी डिफॉरेस्टेशन होती है. और दूसरा है इसका ये फॉरेस्ट फायर्स. हम देखते हैं कि पिछले साल भी कितना सारा बहुत सारा नुकसान हुआ था हमारे फॉरेस्ट्स का, जैसे कि जब ये जंगलों में आग लग जाती है किसी की वजह से, चाहे इंसानों की वजह से या जब टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा बहुत बढ़ जाता है, तो इसकी वजह से भी किसी न किसी तरीके से जब आग लग जाती है इन जंगलों में, तो इससे भी हमारे जंगलों को बहुत सारा नुकसान हो जाता है. तो ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा काज है जिससे डिफॉरेस्टेशन हो जाती है. दिस नेक्स्ट वन इज़ ओवरग्रेजिंग. ओवरग्रेजिंग क्या होते हैं कि जब हम बहुत सारे मवेशी हैं, या हम देखते हैं कि अफ्रीका के जंगलों में या कोई जंगलों में, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे जो ये मवेशी होते हैं वो ओवरग्रेजिंग करते हैं, जिससे डिफॉरेस्टेशन होती है.